Posture Pump Neck Disc Hydrators fit safely and comfortably around your forehead and neck. Patented air cells provide deep relief by decompressing your joints and properly shaping your neck and upper back to prevent forward humped posture. Nutrient-rich fluid is drawn into your disc pads, promoting a healthy spine and well-lubricated joints. Forward curve loss or poor posture can come from a variety of sources. Sometimes it's an obvious source like trauma, but often it's the day-to-day wear and tear and poor positioning that breaks down a healthy spine. Posture lost over time can make you look and feel older than you actually are. Correcting poor humped posture early is the best defense against painful stiffness, early joint aging, and a slumping elderly appearance. As a neck loses its normal forward curve, the weight of the head shifts and locks forward, compressing the vertebra and discs, forcing bulging material toward the spinal cord and nerves. The Posture Pump Disc Hydrator gently but firmly lifts and decompresses the discs, drawing bulging material and rich lubricating fluid back into the discs as the normal forward curve is restored.